guys. So I got that Flowmaster 40 on there. Got a 4-inch pipe. Flowmaster, a 4-inch pipe all the way. No resonator. To me, honestly, it sounds kind of almost as a straight pipe, but not really. Straight pipe gives it a little bit more of a drone, but this Super 40, not so really, not that much. I'm changing it out. I'm gonna keep the 4-inch pipe, and I'm gonna throw the stock muffler on there. Then I'm gonna go back to a down pipe, but I'll probably get like a tip later. I got a 6-inch tip right there. Sounds nice at idle. I noticed when I had the straight pipe, I had a 3-inch straight pipe. The turbo delay was horrible, but after I threw the master flow on here, honestly, you can really tell the speed difference. Gave it more power. Felt pretty cool. I was at 60 and I hit 100 pretty quick. It usually never happens. But this is a 4-inch exhaust with a Flowmaster 40 with a 6-inch tip on a EcoBoost f150 2.7 liter. I'm going to go ahead and rev it for you guys. So it sounds pretty good. Sounds pretty good close. Put it right here and try again. So it sounds nice to me. My girlfriend doesn't like it, but yeah, I'll post another video how it sounds with the stock muffler on there. But I'm gonna keep the 4-inch pipe, and it's gonna be to a 3-inch down pipe. But other than that, it's pretty good.